Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, everybody! It's time to unbox Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription bead box with you. The roaring 2020's treasure box, people! This is great. Oh my gosh, look at this. And here are the Roaring 2020's contents listed here. Got an awesome storage jar for putting your beads or your findings in there. You got some dragon thread, crystal, so it's clear, crystal clear colored, 20 meters of the size 6 dragon thread. Check ladybug glass beads, 13 millimeters in size. Check organic glass disc beads in the color marbled gray. These are 25 millimeters in size. Check carrier beads in the color white, 17 by 9 millimeters. Check glass 8mm rounds. Check glass angel wings. Check glass faceted rounds in size 6 millimeters. Mayuki seed glass beads, silver lined, size 11/0. City Night Lights, check glass mix. Plenty of assorted little beads. Druzy agate blue iris round beads, 6 millimeters in size. Labradorite pebble beads, size 6 to 8 millimeters. Beautiful flash. Some check triangle beads, cracked crystal blue in color, 19 millimeters. Now these are drilled at the top point. Potomac crystal briolettes, metallic sky color, 6 by 12 millimeters. Check gumdrop beads in the color opal, 10 by 7 millimeters in size. Some Pi Duo beads in the color Jet AB. Got some pad posts that are 6 millimeters in size, stainless steel for earrings. Check glass flat faceted rondelles. Check glass card beads, black and white, 13 by 10 millimeters. Some purple check dichroic glass colored beads. Last but not least, a hook and eye clasp set in the color gunmetal. Well, there you have it, folks. All the items included in January 2024's Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription bead box.